Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna check out the top 5 best wood chippers in the market for this year. I made this based on my personal opinion and I try to list them based on a price, quality, durability, and more information about these best wood chippers you can check out the description below. So let's get started. Number 1. Joe CJ601E Electric Wood Chipper. For urban gardeners who want to create mulch, the Joe 14-amp electric wood chipper is a very good addition to the garden shed. Its small size and ease of operation will turn 16 bags of yard waste into a single bag of mulch in a short time. After a quick assembly and connection to an electrical outlet, the chipper is ready to go. Able to handle limbs and twigs up to 1.5 inches, you will need to carefully feed them into the top hopper using the included paddle. The wood comes out the perfect size for mulching around plants and shrubs. Leaves also feed through quickly, however, they do not shred very finely. If you like them to almost disappear, this model cannot produce that result. There is no collection bag, which makes moving the mulch to the desired area more difficult. Prepare to bring a wheelbarrow and shovel to finish the job. Number 2. DK2 KOHLER Engine 3-in-1 Chipper Shredder. Billed as a commercial, heavy-duty chipper, the DK2 chipper shredder and vacuum has all the features you need to care for a large yard or garden. The chipper has a large capacity feeder chute and chips branches up to 3 inches in diameter. Sold with the vacuum attachment to gather leaves into tow bar, you can make quick work of leaf removal by attaching it to a lawnmower or ATV. The vacuum is removable with just 3 bolts. Reviewers report the chipper shredder has a difficult time handling wet leaves and green plant material. However, almost all chippers have this disadvantage. However, it does an excellent job reducing dry yard water to mulch with a 20:1 compression ratio. Dry leaves are shredded into very small pieces, ideal for compost or leaving on lawns. After every use or midway during a day of use, take the time to carefully check all bolts and tighten them as needed. The vibration of any chipper during operation can cause bolts to loosen. Number 3. Earthwise GS70015 15-amp Garden Corded Electric Chipper. Every gardener knows the benefits of adding compost to the soil. It improves plant growth by increasing airflow, water, and nutrients to the plant roots. All around the yard, compost ingredients are free and just waiting, but they should be shredded first. The Earthwise electric chipper is perfect for gardeners who want to start composting. The chipper comes with a 10.5-gallon collection bin to catch the shredded matter and transport it to the compost bin or pile. Simply feed leaves and twigs into the hopper with the help of the tamper tool. The hopper opening is wider than other models for faster feeding. However, since the chipper is not extremely powerful, the reduction rate is only 10:1, leaving larger pieces of wood and leaves that may not be attractive as mulch, but still good for composting. Number 4. Troy-Bilt Gas Chipper Shredder with Vacuum. If your biggest lawn waste problem is leaves, then the Troy-Bilt Chipper Shredder Vacuum may be just what you need. Rather than feeding debris into a chute, it operates like a lawnmower. With an adjustable height, the machine rolls along the ground, suctioning up a 24-inch swath of leaves into the blades, turning them into mulch. The shreds are then collected in the 2-bushel bag for easy placement as mulch or into the compost pile. Or, you can leave the collection bag up to allow the shredded leaves to remain on the lawn to increase the nitrogen in the soil. Attached to the side is a 7-foot flexible hose to suction leaves and small twigs from shrub beds and tight areas. Since there is no feeder chute for branches, it is best to pick them up before using the vacuum, unless they are very small. Number 5. 15-amp Rolling Electric Wood Chipper Shredder. If you like to move the wood chipper around the yard rather than bringing the pile of debris to one location, then the when-rolling electric wood chipper and shredder is the best option. With an ergonomic pull handle and two large 6-inch wheels, it's easy to maneuver the machine into tight places. And of course, you'll need an outdoor all-approved extension cord that reaches every spot. The machine is surprisingly powerful for a small electric chipper and can handle branches up to 1.5 inches in diameter. The two 7-inch blades produce a 17-to-1 reduction ratio in the collection bag. Backed by a 2-year warranty, this is a good choice for small yards.